Now we are going to see how to make measurements for the tank top like this. Let's go. First initially measure the size of the tank. See, first initially take the newspapers. Initially the measurement we need to do. First initially measure the size of the tank. See, it's 30 centimeter. So now the measurement is important. See, the length it is 30 centimeters, which is length, and then we have to measure the depth. This is what length, and then for depth we need to measure. Let us take the tape. Wait, sorry. Now we should measure the breadth. See over here. Initially measure the breadth. It's 15 centimeter in depth. See, then we can mark in the sketch. So we have to make a top which is of 30 centimeter with half the height, which is a 15th half, which can be about 7.5. So up to here it will be around 7.5 plus 1 centimeter. Its depth 8.5 centimeter is the height, 8.5 centimeters, and then the length is 30 centimeters. So now can we prepare the newspaper cuttings and then check with the top. Let's go. Now we have taken the newspaper and then mark the point up to 30 centimeters. See over here 30, and then we have to measure the depth of the thermocol. See, if we measure the depth of the thermocol, it's about 1 centimeter. Can you see? Okay. So we have to extend two sides 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So here plus 1. So here plus 1. So 32 centimeters. Now we have marked for 30 and then measure for 31 and then measure for 32 and then center would be 16. So mark the center point. See over here it's the center point, so it's around 32 centimeters, and then height should be at the center 8.5. Height should be 8.5. So mark the 8.5. So the center is 8.5, and then mark over here the limited height which you need. I am marking about 4 centimeters. See 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters, and then over here also 4 centimeters, and then at the center you will be having to mark over here. See the center point, and then at the top you will be having at the center point both sides you should measure some limited values. I am taking both sides 3 centimeter. See 3 centimeter, and then this side 3 centimeter up to here and then here. So we marking this area. So at the 8.5 we have to cut over here, then cut over here. So this will be the centimeter which we need to measure. See the upside centimeter we are measuring, it's around 3 up to here, and then plus 1 centimeter plus 3.5 centimeter, and then exactly 3.5 centimeters both up to here, and then you have to draw a line over here. See, and then over here, and then measure the height over here. height is around 6 centimeters, which is around 6 centimeter up to here. Same over 6 centimeters here, and then measure this length. See, 1 centimeter excess, so here 1 centimeter excess, so it will be around 14.2. So 14.2 centimeters from here to here. Same over here, 14.2 centimeters. So now over here is 4 centimeters. Same over here is 4 centimeters. We can limit it to 3.5 centimeters also. Okay friends, let's go for preparing this. And then the side view is 15 centimeters. 15 plus 1, it will be around 16, and then 17. Over here we are measuring for this side length, and then depth. For depth is 15 centimeter. That is, for here it is 15 centimeter we have to measure. So then over here extra here is 16, and then extra over here 1 centimeter is 17. So we are measuring about 17 centimeters. See over here we have measured 17 centimeter, and then the height is we are taking 4 centimeter is reduced to 3.5, so 3.5 centimeter over here, and then 3.5 over here. So wait, I will show you. So we have to cut this. I will cut and come. See, both the 17 centimeter, which is 15 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, one on this centimeter, one on this side, and then other 1 centimeter over this side. So it's around 17 centimeter exactly. So I will cut and show you in the fish tank. Wait for 2 minutes. So it's 2 newspaper, so no problem. It will, if you cut, 2 sides will be coming. I will cut and come. See, we are cutting now. And then cut over the depth side, that is 17 centimeter. See, we have cut with the 4 sides. Now we can check with the tank. See over here, it will be like this, and then over the side 1 centimeter at the bottom, and then above which, and then at the sides it will be around, see, exactly 15 we need to cut. Sorry friends. So exactly 15 it will be over here, I think so. So exactly 15 it will be here. See, likewise this map will come. That's it friends, we can go for thermocol cutting. So exactly with the marking we can cut over the area. We can reduce this area. So I am marking it over here. See, I am marking it over. Is it good?